go. We just unloaded the Y job and was able to jump it, but when we stop it, it'll be gone, the battery. So anyway, it's coming in. We're going to park both of our dusty BBs in the back here. Really only damage I saw on the Y job is right there and down there. Normally nothing much to worry about, but it's there.
Completely dead battery.
Completely dead battery. We just got it on the shot and with a jumper. We'll see what hell happens. All the battery's going to have to be replaced.
White walls are kind of messed up.
Oh God, yeah. We'll know more when you polish it and clean it up and get everything working right.
This is doing shipping right here.
Yeah. That's not too good right there. Anyhow, how's the other sides?
Same.
Same way, okay. Sounds like we're a little picky, but you know what? You got a very expensive one-off show car.
Somebody went out through the door.
You tend to be very picky. There we go.
Somebody went out in the car through the door.
Oh crap. Oh yeah. Over the
door.
Over the door. Yeah, they sure in hell did. I don't know if that'll polish out or not. Anyway, we'll have to check and see if everything is here. Blasted old trophies and everything. Anyway, that's the 3 Bs.
Where are the license plate for the Bentley?
Yeah, okay. Well, we'll find that later. Anyway, that's it.
Ta-da!